Analysts from Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are already calling this a great buy opportunity. So there's a lot of institutional buyers that might be getting alongside this as well. Hey guys, welcome to Drink Coin, where we show you how to invest for a better tomorrow. My name is Tyler, and today we're going to be going over a company called Enphase Energy and why I think they're going to be a solid long-term investment. Enphase Energy goes along with the installation of solar panels and things like that, and they just got a recent acquisition of SofDesk, which runs SolarGraf and RoofGraf, which are two different kinds of things that installers can use to both project measurements for housing and placement for panels and different things like that. As you can see here, RoofGraf, with their stuff, they can give you basically from aerial shots a lot of like more accurate measurements on the housing, and they let you draw real time on the house with different lines to kind of line up everything that you want. And SolarGraf kind of gives you the same thing, where you can kind of line up where you want to have the solar panels, and it helps automate a lot of your different projects that you're trying to do as an installation team, manage people on your project, all that stuff. So outside of even just the actual resources and setup of solar panels installations on people's houses, this allows them to streamline the process even further with more services for people that are looking to use them. Now, when they released their earnings for Q1, they were essentially beating a lot of analyst estimates, and they posted record sales numbers, but it's looking like they're not going to be able to beat the projections on them for Q2 in sales, just because they outwardly said, out of transparency, that their shipments are going to be constricted due to the semiconductor components and them not being as available throughout like a lot of different industries in the world right now. This is basically what made the stock drop almost 15% today going into this morning. This would allow a lot of people that are looking for a nice long-term pullback on the stock to kind of dive in for the long term, or even if you're trying to play shorter term, this might be able to snap it back to around that 160 to 170 range here in the next month or two as more people just get on while it's low. As we're looking at the whole day chart for Enphase from yesterday, even after hours it started dropping a bit, but it took a nasty spill from that 170 area all the way down to below 150, and it's been riding around that all day. As we zoom in on it, it has rebounded a little bit through the day, so it was around that 144 range at one point. It's been trending up from 144 to 146, and it's been sitting between 146 and 147 through close and around market after hours. And so over the next week or two, I do see this hitting back above 150 fairly soon, just based on like how it's already projecting and a lot of people trying to get in on this low. Analysts from Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan are already calling this a great buy opportunity. So there's a lot of institutional buyers that might be getting alongside this as well. This is a very nice setup for somebody that's trying to add maybe a long position to their Roth IRA, or somebody that just wants a long position in their broker to kind of bolster their portfolio with a lot more volatility going on in the market. I'm going to be seeing this get over 150 in the next week or so is where I think it's going to ride. And then it should ride between that channel of 150 to 160 for a while. I think like a month or two maybe before we see more retesting of that 160 to 170 area. I have had a blast making videos lately, especially on MindMed and Ocugen, a couple more pharma stocks for you to check out. But we are 2 subscribers away from 700 subscribers, which is absolutely insane. If you aren't already, make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you can see new videos as they come live and get notifications, all that fun stuff. And other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'll see ya. Peace.